Greetings, 2016 CQ Worldwide SSB Contest. M0 Yankee Kilo Sierra at the controls. This year's not been quite as good as usual. I've had a few contacts, but conditions have been a little bit weak in the northern hemisphere, especially for West Yorkshire anyway, for my station. I've had quite a bit of activity, mainly on 20 metres and 40 metres and a few on 80. But the 15 metre band and 10 metre bands not really opened up much for myself. I've had a few on 15, but I don't think I've worked anybody at all on 10, which is very unusual for this time of year and this particular contest. The past few weeks before the contest started, conditions have been very bad, and most evenings the bands have been closed, on 20 especially, which is usually the one I like to operate on. So here we are, it's Sunday afternoon. I've probably got about 100 QSOs in the log and about 10 zones out of 40. So pretty poor compared to usual, but there again, that's the way it goes, and I suppose it's the same for everybody. At least I've enjoyed myself, and we're giving it some stick and worked quite a few reasonable ones. Probably the better contacts have been places like Barbados and Brazil, and I think I got to Turkey and places like that, so and also to Kuwait, I think. So the rest of it, it's all been Europe, and they've been dominating the bands throughout the weekend. I've had most of the same stations popping up, and to be honest, it's been quite difficult finding different stations to work. So I'll let you have a quick listen and see what the activity is. But like I say, it's nowhere near as good as the usual conditions, which I'm used to anyway. A little bit annoying because I've got a couple of new antenna setups. I've put up the Cushcraft MA5 beam at the bottom of the garden, and I've put up the Hustler vertical in a more centralised position away from the trees, so things were quite optimistic antenna wise. I've also hired the Carolina window up as well, but not to worry, it's the way it goes when the conditions are off. M0 YKS CQ Worldwide 2016 SSB. Here we are, the shack. Try to get a bit more focus on there.
Lima Hotel 5915. Carolina Alpha, Italy Oscar, Line America. 42 Tango, Japan 42 Tokyo Honda. 2B4. 73, Italy Oscar, 5 Oscar. Security Contest, India Oscar, 5 Oscar. Okay, thank you for 15. Good luck. Where is it? Kilo 1, Kilo Papa.
Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Okay, Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, you're 5905.
Thanks for 5905, you're 5914. Good luck in the contest.
Okay, thanks. QRZ. Again? Lucy Echo Alpha 8. Okay, Echo Alpha 8, Bravo, Golf, Ontario. Is it Bravo, Victor, Ontario?
So that was pretty easy, straight into stateside, no problem at all. It's not too difficult, it's just there's not that many stations there. I'm just going to put him in the log and get him in there.
Bravo, Golf, Ontario, you're 5905 to yourself.
Let you have a listen whilst I do that.
Okay, thanks. QRZ, Kilo 1, Kilo Papa. Who's ending in Bravo? Okay, Echo India 7 something Queen Bravo. Okay, Roger. Echo India 7 Hotel Queen Bravo. You're 5905.
So there we are.
Kilo 1, Kilo Papa.
Let's see what else we can find.
CC Mexico 3, Victor Bravo Radio.
Cyprus. Usually in there straight away, but tried yesterday but didn't manage it at all. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Right, it's definitely really poor propagation. So, that's my conclusion. Poor propagation. A bit difficult. I probably might get there for carry on shouting for the rest of my life, but nothing amazing. I'll just show you 40 metres. I'll flick over to the vertical antenna. It seems to be pretty good. I was on the beam there, by the way. Bit more noise on the vertical. Okay, I'm on 40 metres now, so we're just going to see what goes off on 40 metres. I've got the vertical and the Carolina Wyndham. The vertical's the Hustler 6-band trap vertical, and that's ground mounted. And then the Wyndham, that is up at now about 30 feet, something like that, centre, in a sort of an inverted formation. So we'll try them both out, but that's going to be a bit noisy at this time of day. It is noisy anyway. I'm going to attenuate the signal by 12 dB. Signal worked in, let's go kilo 7 kilo. Trouble is I've already worked in, that's the problem. With not that many stations to choose from. What we're hearing, that is. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Thanks for 5915, you 5914, good luck. So 40 metres, Serbia seems to be doing it. Only just. But nevertheless, we made the contact. Log the information. Nice strong signal. Worked on last year. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, yesterday Kentucky Sugar, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Yankee Kilo Sierra, Mexico 0, Mexico 0, 5914.
Thanks for 5914, you're also 5914, good luck.
Thank you very much, 73.
73.
Delta Fox 0, Delta Fox 0.
So, I actually switched between the two antennas there. I first got through just about on the Wyndham, but it seemed to be doing it better on the vertical. So that's the story. It's been like that all weekend, switching between the various antennas to try and get the best of the best. but like I say, it's been poor conditions, so maybe next year things will be better. I'm not going to hold it too long on this video. I'm just going to say 7-3 and catch up with you again soon from Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, West Yorkshire, Northern England, India Oscar 93 Charlie uniform, for those who want to know. Catch you later.